All right, it's time. It's finally here. The weekend before the Big Iron Farm Show. So you can see there's a flurry of activity over here. We got the guys over there working on the cart. Thanks to, shout out to Standard Industries for letting us borrow their tractor. And then shout out to Amity for letting us borrow their forklift. A lot of good things there.
City of Fargo for giving us free permits, just like they do for everybody for Big Iron.
Yeah, all right.
Everybody chipping in, it takes a village, right?
Right. We've been preparing for this for a couple weeks now, and it's been a lot of effort, a lot of our guys' time. We've been doing it to the max just to be ready to get to this point. Now we just got the drill and the cart here. We just drove it here with the tractor. We are gonna get ready. We're gonna start setting up, stationing this thing in the booth. Monday is gonna be a big push for the main setup. Just to the east, Intelligent Ag is typically in that building. We got quality drills setting up over there. There's a John Deere cart and drill over there. They've done a lot of work with our products. You'll see a hydraulic drive, all stainless steel, ton of drill parts on that drill and cart setup. Of course, the Concord drill here. We've got our friends that have rebranded from Amity to Concord. They're actually past the area Intelligent Ag is in, all the way to the main gate. They've got a great spot over there. Go visit them. We're on W37, W38. It'll be a lot to see and a lot of new things related to converting your drill to strip till and a whole bunch of other stuff. We even got drills. If you need an 1895, we got a 43 foot for sale, all stainless steel rebuild on the cart already. So be looking for that on our used equipment page on our website. And then we've got a cart here. Actually, this cart's for sale. So if anybody wants that, come check it out. Don't forget, it's going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, September 15th through the 17th. It's 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We are located here right near the West Gate. Come on out, check us out. And again, thank you for helping us keep farmers farming. God bless. We'll see you there.
This year's Big Iron Farm Show is especially important considering recent global events have canceled all of the major shows. Come out, show your support for the farm community, be safe, and let's get this farm economy rolling again.